Good Thursday morning, South Florida. We like to call it Friday Eve. I'm morning field meteorologist Julie Durda, and this morning we are starting off with a few showers by the Keys. Broward and Miami-Dade, mostly dry. Temperatures are mild. We're in the upper 70s and lower 80s. Miami, Fort Lauderdale, and Key West. Winds are calm, so very similar forecast is what we woke up to yesterday, which is feeling fine out there. Slightly warmer than the air temperature in the mid 80s and the low 90s into the Keys, but overall the forecast very similar to yesterday. We'll start off mostly dry conditions except for you in the Keys, and then by the afternoon hours we could see a few afternoon storms, mainly inland, just like yesterday, well west of the Turnpike, as that east-southeast breeze pushes the storms to the west. Tomorrow we'll do it all over again. We're adding a little bit more moisture thanks to this impulse in the atmosphere of that moisture content just hanging around. Now let's go to the tropics. We have what is Leslie and Kurt over the Atlantic, but see, I'm happy to tell you both of these areas not expected to affect land. We are continuing to watch this area that's expected to develop in the Gulf of Mexico eventually going into the weekend. Models, again, still not quite sure what it could be, but the one thing we do know is there's a lot of moisture with this, and therefore we are introducing a better chance of storms as we go into the forecast for your Sunday and going into Monday. But enjoy today and tomorrow as rain chances are still low, and we'll notice our temperatures as our rain chances go up, those temperatures go down to near seasonal, which is the upper 80s. But for today, we'll be in the low 90s. Have a great day.
Good morning, South Florida. Today is Thursday, October 3rd. I'm Eric Yutzi.
I'm Alex Finney. We're going to get to all your news in just a moment, but first, let's get a check on your forecast this morning.
Yeah, that's right, guys. So as we take a look at the forecast, we're noticing temperatures in the upper 70s and lower 80s, Miami, Fort Lauderdale, Key West. These temperatures are reflecting the nice mild conditions and our winds that are really calm. So that's some good news. So as we take a look at our temperatures in your neighborhood, we do have upper 70s and low to mid 80s. Now, as our feels like temperatures, they're slightly warmer, but you know what? We can handle this compared to the past previous months. As we take a live look to our forecast expected for showers, not much. So I'm happy to tell you, if you've liked the past previous days, you'll enjoy today. We will see some inland storms around. So as you're getting the kids ready for school, they'll just need the sunglasses, and really very few of you will be needing the rain gear. Let's go to the tropical update. First 10 minutes of the newscast, we promised you that tropical weather update, and things are busy in the tropics. We are tracking Leslie that developed yesterday, and we have Hurricane Kurt in the Atlantic, and all eyes on this area in the Gulf of Mexico and in towards the Western Caribbean that has a 30% chance of development. Here are the latest advisories on both of the named systems we're watching. Kurt has winds of 120 miles per hour, moving to the northwest at 10 miles per hour. The 5M advisory on Leslie has winds of 40 miles per hour, but expected to become a Category 2 hurricane. Both of those systems are not going to be a threat to land. What is going to be threatening our forecast is more rainfall, all thanks to whatever this area becomes as it moves into the Gulf of Mexico. I'm going to time this all out for you because the weekend's right around the corner. I got to get it for you. Coming up.